my third take. But hi, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. Today's look is inspired by a picture, that I saw of Zendaya during the year, and I thought I need to do this for Halloween. This is just so epic. So the only thing that you pretty much need as an accessory is a cool outfit and a crown. I bought this one off Amazon. As you probably can tell, I already have half of the makeup done. This look is from the vampire looks that I did a few days ago. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm a makeup artist and I'm doing a series on YouTube for Halloween. So we're doing 31 looks in 31 days. And so yeah, I already posted this look. This is the vampire look. So if you want to know how to get that eye part, just go watch that, come back to this video, and yeah, and now we're gonna make it so much and now we're gonna make this look so much cooler. So I mean, it was already cool, but it's just a different costume, right? So anyway, I hope you guys like the series so far. I keep saying that and I'm gonna stop, but don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I will let you watch the tutorial now. So anyway, have a great night, snack on something, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so switching up to voiceover, I'm gonna take a foundation that is way lighter than my actual shade, and I'm gonna go on top of everything just to light out my skin. Then I'm gonna take some white paint and I'm gonna create some kind of like veins, just like the red ones that I did, but we're gonna do them white. I really took my time with it because I was looking at the picture to make it look like it was the same thing, but that's just, you know, totally up to you. You can create your own vibe and just go free for all, like, you know. So yeah, that's what I did. I used a super tiny brush. This one I think was from a like painted by number something, I don't know, like something super small and dainty. Next, I'm gonna take some black paint and I'm gonna go over the line. She has like a super tiny little black line using the same brush, but just, you know, the same brush, but another brush, if that makes sense. I'm gonna draw the line around her mouth and I'm gonna thicken them just to make it look more like the pictures. And then we're gonna go in with some eyeshadow. So I just took a light brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna create the shadows on the inner part of what we just draw. I'm really taking my time because I really want to leave like a space in between the black line and the shadow that I'm creating to create more of a like a 3D effect. And I think at the end I was a little bit tired, so they're not, you know, quite even, but they still do the job. Then I'm going in with some white paint again on the other side of the line to create more of a 3D effect. And I'm gonna blend the white with my skin foundation just so it looks more like realistically and not just, you know, a straight white line, because that's not something that we want. We don't want something harsh. We really want something light and blended so it looks more 3D, if that makes sense. Then I went back with the black paint that I used earlier to go back on the things that I, you know, messed up. This is a detailed look, so that's why, you know, you cannot be too messy with it. And it was, you know, I don't know, maybe I didn't drink enough coffee that day. Then I'm taking the Crayolan wheel. This one is the burn one, and I'm just gonna take the darkest red to create like the blood dripping part of the look. We're gonna add some thick blood and scalp blood after that, but it's just to create the lines, and it's also gonna add a little bit more like details to the look and not just fake blood, you know. So yeah, then I'm doing the exact same on the crack on my forehead. You can also sing karaoke because that's apparently what I was doing. And I'm also gonna create a little line of blood on that. And 1 stitches, I forgot to mention, you need to draw the stitches like the red stitches. I don't know if that makes sense. Then I'm going in with the same black and I'm gonna do the stitches using black paint. This is a long process. Please take your time because I did a bigger line than I thought, and really screw me over. So take your time, do the smallest line, take pause, and then, you know, continue doing that. Part on the neck is up to you because it depends on the shirt that you're wearing. So moving on. Then I'm gonna do my lips. So I just did the Bare Minerals liquid lipstick and the MAC lip liner in the shade. Wow, I don't remember the shade. Great. And then I added some fake blood. Like I said, this one is the thick blood, scalp blood from Ben Nye. Love this one. I'm only adding that to the part where the blood usually, like, you know, comes together and create like a flowy situation, like a bumpier, thicker parts. But that's just the fun part, you know. I also took the Kiss lash tweezers for that because you create the two lines. It really makes sense. Then I added some blood on my on the edge of my mouth, and I'm gonna add some more on my forehead because I put the crown on and it was so like oh my god, it was squeezing my brain out. So be mindful of that. Maybe take like size up if you want this one, or put it as like a hair accessories instead. Also, I'm adding a lot more blood because blood is fun and it's Halloween, you know? So I added a few more drip around my neck, and I don't know, it was so cool. But the crown was really painful, so it's actually not fake blood. No, I'm kidding. It is fake blood. I'm kidding. But I added a lot more, and I fixed, you know, how I would arrange it around my head. So be mindful of that, you know? So anyway, that is it, you guys. I hope you like this look. I hope you found it fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And also, Zendaya is a queen, so that's why I did her makeup. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.